Hello and welcome to Slow Foxtrot seminar Basic and Beyond. Idea is to show how we can build up free advanced figures from basic figures which are found in technique books. And today we will look at 3 feathers. Very interesting Slow Foxtrot figure. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Andrejs and Kornelija. So 3 feathers means that we have 3 times feather position. So we start with left foot forward to side and forward outside partner on left side. This is kind of strange feather. Next is lady goes outside man, and last one is feather finish for man. So we have 3 feathers in this figure. So we dance slow and quick, 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 quick. Now let's do it together. Slow and quick, 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 quick. And now let's look at Andrejs and Kornelija. Slow and quick, 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 quick. Footwork for man, heel, toe, 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 heel. So almost all steps are on toes. So we start this figure with turning to left, and then man goes outside on lady's left side. Slow and quick, 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 quick. Yes. Let's do it again from opposite angle. And slow and quick, 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 quick. Now let's look at a more difficult version of timing. So we have 8 steps in this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can dance first step slow on count 1, 2, then 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. You can count in numbers or with slows and quicks. Slow, quick, quick and quick, 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 quick. And again, slow, quick, quick and quick, 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 quick. Very good, from opposite angle. Five, 6, 7, 8, slow, quick, quick and quick, 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 quick. We will use both of timings in this figure, but after feather finish we will dance change of direction in timing quick, quick, slow, and as introduction we will use feather step. So let's put together. We start with preparation step, then feather step, then 3 feathers, and change of direction. And from opposite angle, this time with teaching count. Five, 6, 7, 8, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick and quick, 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 slow. And now to music. let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Andrejs and Kornelija, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.